This is the real-time rows. And there are two different ways to solve this problem. And those ways are algebra and logic. Let's start out with algebra and we'll come back to the logic way. If you're trying to solve this problem with algebra, we're trying to find some positive number, and we're given two criteria. The number squared is the same as the number times 16. So we need a way of parameterizing this problem. I'm going to pick the letter x to represent the number. So the number squared is the same as, I'll choose an equal sign to represent that, the number times 16. So here's the number times 16. And if you're doing the algebra method, now we have ourselves an algebraic equation, and we have what positive number? We've called that x. So here's our answer. And we can calculate that by solving for x. In this case, we'll divide both sides of the equation by x. And we'll be left with x equals 16. And it's actually that fast. So this is the answer. We don't have multiple choice. This is grid in. So the answer will just be 16. Now, suppose you had tried to solve this problem using logic. What that would require is that you simultaneously keep in mind the idea of a number squared and a number times 16. Some people are very quick at using logic to solve problems, but as we saw, the algebra method is pretty quick also, so that's not really an advantage in this case. There are some, I'll label as an advantage, there's also some disadvantages here, which is it might be slow. You don't know, but it might be that you'll spend a bunch of time on logic and you will get nowhere. Also, this is sort of a dead end. So if you try to solve this problem with logic alone and it doesn't work, you're just left with nothing. Whereas in the algebra method, you have a trail of breadcrumbs that you can use to deduce an answer using basic algebraic simplification. So in this question, we're going to give the nod to the algebra method.